Good morning.
Good morning.
I have this weird thing that happens to me once in a while where all of my pages like get lost on a screen that's not showing on my computer. You know what I mean?
Oh,
So I have to like close
that's
everyone
cool.
and then reopen everyone.
Music licensing
So weird.
You do anything in the pre-market today?
No, I just woke up, so
Oh, geez. Yeah, I've been up since like 3:30. So
yeah. It's good.
Yep.
Looks like it's a good day to be going long.
that it does.
It's a no news Monday.
It's a no news Monday. It's during a holiday. Typically, it grinds up.
Sort of Santa run.
Yeah.
I'm almost fully back here. What time do we got? Oh, it's 6:31. Shoot, we're late. All right, I'm gonna get this going here.
Music licensing
Oh, all right.
reimagined.
5 seconds. There we go. We're live. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right.
This is a lovely bullish start to the day.
Right?
Artlist.io.
I think on YM today, I'm going to be risking 200 to make 5,000.
Oh, geez. Look at why I'm going. Holy smokes.
Yeah, I'm not jumping in here though. It's I'm gonna wait for a little bit and make an adult decision. Not try and risk too much. Let this opening range kind of play out a little bit.
Yeah.
$48,713 is the current high.
Licensing reimagined.
It opened at 528. Wow.
Yeah. 525, 528.
Oh man, I wish I was in a pre-market long right now. I'd be
Jeez.
retiring.
NQ's pulling back a bit.
Yeah, so is YM. Let's see what ES is doing.
We got wicks on both sides.
IO.
And yes. Pop on my VWAPs here.
Book map on YM doesn't have a whole heck of a lot underneath it. Or underneath current price anyway. We got a block of 29 orders down at 48,600.
Licensing reimagined.
Oh, ES is right in the middle of those wicks.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I'm not trading today?
Shaking it out. And
Shaking
quite a
something.
substantial pull back here.
All right, we got nothing to do yet.
No.
I'm not jumping into anything here.
Nope.
Artlist.io.
I do got to set up my midnight open price.
I think I had that on my trading view for YM. Hold on.
Artlist.io.
Ooh, NQ still pulling back heavily.
Music licensing.
Yeah, YM was at 48,503.50 for midnight open. So I mean, there's a chance we're going to touch that, but looking at this 200 and almost 200 point candle, a little bit leery to go short. We're just printing a bullish fair value. Wow.
It's still early. It's still early.
I got no excuse. I've been up for hours.
Looks like we found a little bit of support there at the
Music
previous day
licensing
high
reimagined.
on YM right there.
Previous day high was 48,634. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Back to
Yes was trying to make a little bounce there too, but it got rejected real quick. And YM pulling back a bit here. So yeah, it looks like we should be patient here for a few minutes anyways.
Artlist.io.
Hey, there's Darren. Morning. I'll see you back in a bit. And Terrence, good morning.
morning, Mr. Take the Money and Run. So I was just trading prop firms this morning. I liquidated 13 accounts last night, cash accounts last night. So that's gonna put a little damper in the P&L for the next couple of weeks. But
Oh, you mean you like withdrew it?
yeah, I closed out 13 accounts.
Gotcha. Cash accounts?
So yeah,
I didn't know that you have that many different cash accounts.
I have 4 main accounts, and I don't know if you knew this or not, but through your brokerage, you can set up sub accounts.
Oh,
So
really?
say like your mom wants you to do any trading for her, you can actually do that. You just put her name as a secondary on it,
Okay.
and as long as your name is the primary,
Mm-hmm.
it's actually pretty easy to do.
Crazy.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah. But even if you go through Tradeovate, their live brokerage,
Mhm.
you can do the same thing, set up sub accounts with them. Even if you want to trade different styles through those accounts, you just give them a name. So if you have an account that you only trade gold on, you just name it gold and
Artlist.io.
trade it accordingly. That fair value gap is holding on YM.
Artlist.io.
I'm taking a short scalp right now in YM on this pullback.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm trailing it down. I'm up $70. There we go. We're up.
All right, good luck. Oh, you're up $70 and you
Yeah.
pulled out already? Nice.
Yeah, I'm already out. I got
Oh, nice.
stopped out there in profit. So
Good deal, good deal.
Licensing reimagined.
that's one of those evals I've been on Lucid. I've been trying to pass here. I'm up. I made
Oh, yeah.
98 yesterday, and I'm up. So now I'm at 450. So I made. Yeah, it was only like about $55 on that, but still.
It's $55 across multiple accounts. That's a bit of money.
Yeah. Oh, it's just a single account. So
Oh, well, it's still $55.
yeah.
Artlist.io.
This account's now at 1837, and this would be the last account that I need to pass to get another Lucid funded account. Damn,
nice.
pulled back substantially from where it was. Should have held that.
I was gonna say you should have stayed in that short for a little bit.
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
I was a little aggressive on the stop, so
I don't need to give you advice on where to pull out.
yeah, I was a little aggressive on the stop there. It's too bad. That seems to be a bit of my problem lately. Is I'm so worried about just locking in those greens, and then I've dragged that stop in there, and it tags me out, and then it keeps going.
Small green is still green,
Yeah.
and that's
Artlist.io.
don't get greedy and you'll make a lot of money.
But that whole candle just got erased. I was entered 624, and now it's 549, so it would have been 100 points down almost. Shit. Oh well.
It's a nice $500 trade.
Artlist.io.
Yeah.
Hey Jordan, what's up? I am freezing here. Freezing and sleepy.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, so far for the day, I'm up 165 on my proprietary trading firm accounts,
Yeah.
but I'm only trading 10 of them, so still $1,600 for pre-market. I'm gonna actually switch over to my other cash accounts here.
Artlist.io.
Wait for opening range to get set.
Looks like there's no proper match stream today.
Oh no, Arbucci should be in the hospital right now.
Oh, they're having the baby.
Yeah, it was
Wow.
due 2 days ago.
That's cool. Good for him. I hope everything
All right,
goes.
I'm gonna start looking for longs here on YM.
Yeah, I was thinking that same thing.
Artlist.io.
I'm in long actually.
I just got in long too.
Stopped
Yeah,
out in profit. Damn.
you're already? Wow. Look at you.
No, it was a very small winner though. Basically a break even.
Oh, okay.
That was a pretty strong pullback. 15 points. Oh, there we go. We're going again.
Come on, keep moving.
Music
I'm gonna move my
licensing.
stop loss up into profit now.
Me too. I'm locking in a little more green here. 75, up 75. And I'm out.
Locking in
So
5
fast.
points.
So I'm up 507 now in this eval account.
Very good. All right, I'm up $400.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey,
So,
this is a first. Up $2,000 before opening range is set.
Well,
It's gonna be a good day.
yeah.
All right, now I'm gonna open my cash account. There we go. Let's see what we got here.
So I had that trader meetup this was it
Yeah,
Friday night?
Randy told me about that. How'd it go?
Yeah, it was really good. We had about 9 people total at the table.
Very good.
Did a little bit of networking, kind of got some Instagrams and stuff. And actually, you should have got a few people following you because we were talking about you, and they're like, "Oh, what's his?" So I think a couple of them grabbed your Instagram and stuff. So
All right, cool.
Yeah.
I'll
yeah,
be
check
sure
it out.
to
There should have been
approve
some follows there from that. That would be Friday night.
Music
All right.
licensing reimagined.
YM's doing a little bit of a pullback here.
Yeah, I see that.
The overnight VWAP's at 58,506. New York VWAP is 58,534.10. If that means anything to you at this point, this early in the day.
Artlist.io.
My handy dandy traders post midnight VWAP and move the midnight session to midnight.
Kind of rejecting off the point of control right now for the Dow. We're just breaking above it at the moment. But it was rejecting there for a minute. Yeah, we're kind of pulling back from mid point of control. And we're breaking up above. Value area high is lined up with the New York VWAP there.
At 48,613.
IO.
578. Oh, sorry. Value area high, sorry, is yes, you're right. 611 or 612 kind of thing.
Yeah, close enough.
Yeah.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
And there we're back below point of control again now.
Yeah, I'm second here.
Jordan says it's going to be a good day. And then traders' last words before it all goes wrong.
My stop losses are going to be tight today.
Yeah.
That's all there is to it.
Think positive, Jordan. Think positive.
Yeah, come on. Why are you trying to mess me up like that? I'm going to show you something on my screen real quick.
Sure.
Artlist IO.
See how that's sitting in that channel between midnight and New York?
Yeah, yeah.
As soon as it breaks out of that in one direction or the other, that's what I'm taking.
Okay.
So if I end up with a decent short, if it pulls down below 48,535, is that right? Yeah. I'll take that. If it goes up above 610 with any strength, I'll go long.
Nice. Yeah.
But I'm just going to keep these tight, have a $200 stop loss, one mini, see if I can make a couple grand, and then just call it a day.
Sounds
Couple
very
days
good.
before Christmas, I'm not going to fool around and be trading all day.
Yeah, no doubt.
Artlist IO.
Just might mess around in this channel for
For an unknown amount of time.
it's been 3 minutes since opening range is set, and I'm already calling it an hour. Patience is a key.
Yeah, a couple of people at the table kind of had already heard about you. Like, oh, I heard about this guy. He's trades so many accounts and making so much money and stuff.
Making all right living.
Yeah, it's Nick. That's Nick.
Artlist IO.
Map is still showing those
Licensing
orders down at 525, 500.
Yeah,
Pick a direction here.
yeah. We're just playing around in the middle still.
It may be this way all day. This may be a range bound day. In which case, I might be cutting out early.
Artlist IO.
Oh, Evan just popped into Zach Boyajian's stream.
Oh yeah. Is he not doing his ASFX stream today?
No, it just looks like Austin and Randy so far.
All right. This is a good group of profitable traders we associate with, isn't
Yeah,
it?
totally. Yes. When you look at the group of people, it's like lots of good people to learn from.
Music
Yeah,
licensing
I was talking about that with someone the other day. It's like somehow managed to surround myself with like the best people in this profession. I mean, I'm no Tom Hogarth or anything, but I'm okay. But you got people like Evan, who I swear that guy's a Buddhist monk.
Yeah. Darren says, where are the orders on Bookmap for ES? Looks like we have a bunch down at 69.12 and 69.10. And then we have some above at, looks like 69.18, 22, 23, 24.
Those orders down at 12 are algos. Half of them are
Oh, yeah, I see that,
algo
yeah.
orders. You see that?
Yeah.
So either that's some bank's computer putting those in, or some whale trying to move a market. We got no algos above us.
Yeah, those orders look all clean, right? 69,
They're all
21,
clean
22,
orders.
23, 24.
Hell, 69.35's got 125 on it. That's what's the price action been like on ES today?
Looking pretty good right now.
Artlist.io.
I entered along there. I'm putting a fairly tight stop here on this. I might get stopped out actually if it pulls back much more. Doing I got about 3 points.
Watch for a bounce off of 22. There's a big stack of orders there. It can either
Reimagined.
oh, it's above New York, so I'd keep your tight pretty stopped because there's orders at 12, 22, 30, 35.
Only risking 3 points here on this, but it's sitting right above my stop at the moment.
Artlist.io.
See if
You're
we
only
can get a
risking
little
3
pump.
points.
Yeah, on 3 contracts.
Get back to my YM here.
Yeah, I got stopped out there. That's too bad. A little too tight, but
Reimagined.
I was going
my
to say
entry was
3
a little
points. 3 points is a pretty tight stop. Yeah.
and yeah, it's pulling back even heavier. So keep your tight, pretty stop. Yeah.
Did I say that?
Yeah, Jordan's like, Nick, you just said keep your tight, pretty stop. Someone get this dude a coffee.
Right.
Artlist.io.
I think that's going to be the next T-shirt I make. Keep your tight, pretty stop.
Tight, pretty stop.
Wow.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, pretty bearish move on NQ with you got a bearish front value gap above. So wondering here, that's kind of holding ES back at the moment. I do like the fact that all those orders above are non-algos. We got like 100 and something for like 24, 25, 26, 27 area. But the other two indices are really cooperating with ES at the moment. There we go. Now we're starting to take the 20s.
Oh, NQ's got a bunch of orders up above it. It looks like half of them are algos, though.
Artlist.io.
I think YM's going to be pulling up here in a second.
Music
18 seconds
licensing
here on this time zone.
reimagined.
And we're popping it again. We're taking out 22s. Some of those orders got pulled, it looks like.
But I'm long on YM right now. Single mini. Oh, don't do this to me.
Keep going.
Don't mess with me now.
Artlist.io.
There we go. Come on. Keep pushing up. NQ looks like it's getting a little bit of a lift here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Making a bit of a pop here on the Mayhem.
A little bit, moving my stop loss up into profit.
Yeah, me too.
Take 20 bucks out of that.
Artlist
Let me know if it's gonna pull back off a fair value gap or anything. Oh, come on, keep going.
Yeah, being aggressive on the stop here. Don't pull back. There we go. Beautiful.
Get a little pullback.
Oh, I'm out of that one. 84 across 4 funded accounts
Music
there.
licensing reimagined.
Nice.
Very nice. Happy with that.
I'll take that. I'll take my 50 bucks per account on that one.
Nice trades there this morning, eh, guys. Good job. YM's just printing for us right now.
YM's been essentially just printing money for me over the past couple of weeks.
I know, right? Me too. It's
Artlist
got my
IO.
that eval account almost more than like 2/3 past now in the last few days, anyways.
When are you gonna start putting that?
I took minis on that long there, 1 mini
Artlist IO.
in my 4 funded Lucid accounts.
Yeah, here's another rejection off of New York.
Yeah,
See if it breaks through it.
and the value area high.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yes, it's starting to print a little bit higher now. Pulled back to the 20s off the, and then going higher. What do we got? We got
Oh, I don't.
30 above.
So I don't know if you were using Austin's indicator,
I wasn't.
but TradingView told him that he had to rename it or something because the description was too short.
IO.
So it is ASFX free automatic VWAPs. I'm actually going to throw that up really quick. Yeah, look at that. Oh, nice little blue line in the middle of my channel.
Sweet. Why is it?
Look at that. Another perfect rejection off of VWAP.
Yeah. Bounced up, created a wick above it, and then came back down.
I'm not really all that concerned about the wicks unless they're huge.
Yeah.
I'm more concerned about the body closures than anything.
Yeah. Oh, you're talking about the closure of that green candle ended right on the new.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Closed on New York, opened slightly above it, wicked up a little bit. I mean, on YM,
Artlist IO.
yeah, that's nothing. So this is 1, 2, 3 rejections off of VWAP. It's still going down. The only reason I'm not getting into this right now is because of the orders on the book. A little bit heavier above us than below us, so I'm just gonna hold out for a little bit and not risk this. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
So yeah, if anybody needs that VWAP, it's ASFX free automatic VWAP.
reimagined.
Not my luck on ES today though. Second long I'm trying here, and it's pulling back. Almost to my stop again. Jeez, every time I get in, it just turns around on me here.
Artlist.io.
You're just picking the wrong times to get in. What are you getting in on ES with?
Like why? Those are
What's your
momentum trades. But
oh, okay.
Artlist.io.
You're above VWAP. Yeah.
I mean, it just looks strong, and then yeah. Do you have a bullish for value gap?
Reimagined.
Where's the bullish fair value gap?
It is right around 69.20. So I'm gonna attempt this one more time. That's funny because Austin got long at the same time as me, and it went straight down.
And it went straight what?
Down.
Oh, it went straight down. Yeah.
I guess he got it basically the same time as I did.
I wouldn't make mine taking a long at 69.10. Except that's way too far below VWAP. Never mind. I'm gonna shut up.
Licensing reimagined.
Spending too much time looking at the book map.
Yeah, I do see orders there down there, 69.10. So far, we're holding this level here at the 19 pretty decently. You just get a closure above
I
that.
can barely hear you now.
Sorry about that. Let's see if that's any better.
That's a little better.
Artlist.io.
Come on, boys. Hold this fair value gap.
Artlist.io.
So I've got my volume ball set on YM at 15 for today.
Because you're expecting
Wasn't-
any volume.
Yeah, I was not expecting a lot of volume, so.
Music licensing reimagined.
And I surely wasn't expecting that giant boner candle right off the open.
Yeah.
And that's why you keep your tights pretty. In your shorts. In your shorts. Something. I don't know.
Artlist.io.
Come on, yes, let's go. We still got those orders at 25 and 30. And looks like there's some at 35 also.
Music
You're cheering on
licensing
ES. I'm
reimagined.
cheering on YM. It must be a day that ends in Y.
Got 20 seconds left. It looks like they might invert that fair value gap though if we get this closure down where we are. Not liking it, not liking it.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, Jordan's contrarian. He's in a short right now. Yeah, we did get that closure. So if we pop up a bit here, I'm gonna probably try to stop this out a little bit in profit.
Artlist.io.
Come on, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I put my stop in there. I just wanted to get out of that one before, we got a closure below, so it's probably going to reject off, could potentially reject off that fair value gap and
Music
head lower here.
licensing reimagined.
Don't want to give it a full stop, so break it out even. And then we wicked perfectly from that fair value gap right now. Those algos kind of like pulled off a bit too, hey? The ones below.
Yeah, all those. Well, are you talking about ES or
Yes,
YM?
yeah. I don't have book for YM, unfortunately.
The all those algos that were on YM, 4 of them pulled off.
Music
Oh, wow.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah, good thing I got out of that trade, because like I was saying, that inverted fair value gap ended up being a rejection point, and now we're heading down to the lows on ES. So Jordan's short is looking real good right now. You're in at 20-ish, which is right on that inverted fair value gap. So he's up about 3 points or so.
Artlist.io.
Maybe we got all the moves we're going to get until lunch or till later.
Maybe
out of the gate. YM's getting super tight.
Music licensing reimagined.
YM's just being stupid.
Let's go, YM.
How the hell am I in a trade?
Did you have a stop left somewhere?
Artlist.io.
Oh shit! I left my limit order on. I'm good with that. I'm playing with house money at this point, so.
We're starting with the 9 EMA and just below the point of control on YM. ES bouncing a little bit here. Not loving the price action on ES. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades on that. Probably, maybe, possibly look at NQ here instead.
Yeah, I think YM's gonna start coming up again.
Artlist.io.
Oh, Evan's
Coming
now
right up to that.
Music licensing
Evan's now what?
on the stream.
Oh, with Randy.
Yeah.
And Austin.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I got my stop loss in this down at 555. So I'm risking about $360 on this trade.
Okay.
Not bad for 2 minis.
Artlist.io.
Yeah.
But I believe I'm going to be taking profits on this quickly if it goes in my favor. Not loving this price action.
Music licensing reimagined.
that. I made $10.
Nice. Okay.
No, not nice. That was a bullshit trade.
Not a loss though, at least.
Wasn't a loss, but might as well have been.
IO.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a rejection off of VWAP.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm in a short on NQ right now. I'm up 160, 175. Stopped in money. Okay. Well, I'm back to 44 positive on the day in this account. I was down 120.
Still trading just a single account.
Yeah. I was just trading my top one futures funded account there. So we're up 44 now on that one. I was liking the way that NQ was holding below the midnight open price and below the overnight VWAP, and it was doing one of those crazy flat bounces, you know, like up a point, down a point, up a point, like, and it was holding below it. So I'm like, yeah, this looks like a good entry.
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
You
Took off.
you got a bearish channel between New York and midnight. It's rejected off it.
Artlist IO.
Well, once since that 950 candle.
Yeah.
Passed
Yeah.
through it, rejected off it, still coming down.
Yeah.
It's just low a day. Yeah. Opening range low is
Music licensing
16 points below you.
Oh,
Now
Jordan
we can
said he
break
took
through
2
that.
points from that short, and now it's dumping. Go figure. That's how it always works, right?
It is. Our job isn't to catch the whole move, though. It's to take a little bit across multiple accounts.
Yeah. Yeah, so a short, original short was 25,702, and then I added to it at 92, 692, and then I got out at 684. So 112 on the 3 contracts and then 48 on the other 3 contracts. So adding to those winners, man, helps a lot.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, what the hell is going on with my brokerage? It's rejecting orders here.
Jordan tagged your trailing stop before it moved down. Yeah. Did you have it set at a trailing stop? Like a certain amount of point trailing stop? Or did you mean you like moved your stop loss into profit?
IO. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I got to close out of my my cash accounts now. For some reason, it's rejecting all of my orders.
Is it through Tradeovate?
One of them is through Tradeovate,
Gotcha.
Artlist IO.
but I have them all copied. Oh, I hope they didn't put a hold on them when I liquidated those accounts yesterday. Well, I put the request in to liquidate them yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Music licensing reimagined.
You think that might be what happened?
I hope not, because that's gonna put a big old damper on my P&L for the next couple of weeks.
Artlist IO.
Or as long as they take to get them going again?
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Zach Boyajian, or Zach Boyajian's got crazy hair this morning, man. It's like so big.
To match his crazy beard.
Yeah, he's got a
You know
crazy
what?
beard and a crazy hairdo.
I'm gonna step away here real quick and call the brokerage.
Okay, I'll pop my screen up here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, Jordan, you know, I do that often too, man, where I trail it a little too early and then, you know, it stops me out and then it goes. So annoying. Caligul, hey, how's it going, bro? Good morning.
Music licensing reimagined.
Were you at the meetup? Open MNQ can flush lower, trading a bit slower with wider stops. Small, a bit slower, yeah. I mean, we almost hit that low a day, and then they found support there. What level was that at? That was also at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute, like to the T. Let's go over here. As you can see right there, look at that 200 EMA right on it. Boom, bouncing, heading back towards the midnight open. What was that? YM just hit the value area high.
Artlist.io.
YM just ripped right there, guys. YM ES just ripped. We're coming up to previous day high on YM.
Music licensing reimagined.
Eyeballing a potential trade here with my 5 TPT accounts. All right. Well, we rejected off the value area high. We'll be patient here on this one. I'm just gonna grab a coffee, guys. Sorry, I'll be right back in 2 seconds.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of back at value area high there, but looking like value area high is being resistance on YM.
Artlist.io.
And Q's pulling back down here, rejected off the overnight VWAP. If we can get a closure below the 200 EMA, that'd be definitely a good sign for a move lower, because we do have sort of like, you know, we got the gap below, we got Asia lows.
Licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I may have to pop off here again. I'm on hold with the exchange.
Okay, yeah, no worries. Yeah, definitely get that
Yeah.
taken care of. Okay, well, NQ's popping up.
Wow.
Licensing reimagined.
Took out midnight open, broke above the overnight VWAP, and see what if we're gonna get through the New York. And yeah, YM's kind of been flirting around with value area high here.
It's above New York. It's just busted out of that channel, so
Cali Google, I'm waiting to sell at 25,733. That's a good area. I mean, we're right in the middle of that bearish fair value gap on that last big sell-off candle there.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
looking at YM on the 2-minute, we got a bullish fair value gap at 591.80. Oh, sorry, 592.50.
Music licensing reimagined.
Darren, I just long New York VWAP reclaim. Risky long, but below opening range.
Artlist.io.
What's trading today?
I'm assuming he's trading the ES. Kind of rejected off of the New York a little bit, but I mean,
Yeah, it's a little bit risky.
Music
a little risky.
licensing reimagined.
Good luck. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed for you, buddy.
Kelly said it's his first time with Trade-Evade. Honestly, Ninja Trader is way better. Yeah, you think so? I mean, I've never traded Ninja Trader, so I don't really have an opinion on that. But I definitely feel like Trade-Evade could be a little bit, a little more user-friendly. Definitely. It's pretty hard to mark up the charts and stuff like that. They don't have,
Artlist.io.
not that easy to do all those added little features kind of thing.
I have always been a fan of TradingView.
Oh yeah. I just need to finish getting my traders post connected.
Music licensing reimagined.
Did you sign up for it?
Yeah, I have it all signed up. I just I'm gonna have to get more accounts available because I think I only have the base, the second level, and then I hooked up my brokerages. So I got all that in there. I just haven't figured out how to make it all work.
All right, I am long 2 minis on YM.
Yes.
Oh, I'm pulling my stop up into profit now. That was fast. And still in profit.
Music licensing reimagined.
Had to switch back to
Props.
yeah. None of
I'm
my
also almost here. I got my stop in slightly profit. If you can get a little more move here. Stop me at home.
all right, I'll take it. $150 on that one.
Nice.
And that's on 10 accounts.
Music
All right.
licensing reimagined.
That was
And they're all
everything.
funded.
Stay high.
Man, I feeling real edgy about my cash accounts not being able to trade them right now. It's leaving a bad feeling in my tummy tum.
Artlist.io.
Khalil, no, I think I was agreeing with you. And I'm pretty sure Ninja Trader has some better options for charting and stuff on their platform, whereas Trade-Evade isn't the most friendly. So
Ninja Trader is great.
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
I actually like TradingView a little bit better for copy trading. That's the only reason I use it.
Yeah.
You can use, well, it's because I use the Trader's Post for it.
Yeah.
So I can, as long as you have API access, you can attach all of your personal accounts, your cash accounts, your prop accounts, get everything to it and copy them through that.
Hmm.
So why I'm going to go on another tear here?
Almost kind of looks like it, eh?
Yeah, it's looking like it.
Holding above previous day high.
Reimagined.
Well, we're back on it, but yeah, holding it.
That's what, 39, 38?
634.
So it came down close to opening range low. I'm going to take a long.
Khalil said, I'm a beginner now. I don't copy trade. Yeah, definitely get in those reps, get in that experience before you start loading up the accounts.
That's just an adult decision. That's all that is, as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah. Makes sense.
There's so many people in such a rush to make money, and then because of that, they get impatient,
Reimagined.
and the impatience causes them to go on tilt, and they end up blowing their prop accounts. They end up losing all their personal capital. It's a bad idea until you've got
Artlist
the hours in. Don't copy trade.
Some
And
consistent.
this is coming from me, and that's what I do.
And we're grinding a little higher here on YM, but we're not making the moves like we were earlier, anyways, at the moment.
No, volume's decreasing a little bit. I can't believe I'm still on hold here.
Maybe you're not the only guy
Yeah,
wondering what the heck's going
I
on.
mean that would actually make me feel better after liquidating those accounts. Like, I'm just hoping I didn't do something stupid.
So you're liquidating. They were cash accounts, though.
Yes.
IO.
Yeah, that's crazy. So I can't use Tradeovate in BC, like their trading platform, like their brokerage.
Really?
Yeah, they only allow it in Ontario. Only one province in Canada is allowed to trade with them.
And Ontario is basically the U.S. So
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
Maybe that's
Windsor. I mean,
why. Yeah.
Windsor is just South Detroit. Come on, you know the song.
Look at that. We're right up to the wicks or the bodies of those previous high, the opening candle, and then that rejection candle. 48,659 on YM.
Well, I'm glad I added to it.
Oh, you're in that long. Okay, nice.
Yeah, I'm in a YM long. My average price is 48,645.
Nice.
So I'm up a couple $100. 175.
Music
Sorry.
licensing reimagined.
175 locked in.
Yeah.
Nice.
I opened up my stop loss a little bit.
Getting a tiny pullback on the ES there, but nothing to be too worried about at the moment.
Oh, I'm out. Orders just came
nice
on the
pop
book
there.
below us. Yeah, I'm okay with not taking that on that pop on YM. Just had a bunch of orders come up down at 620.
Oh yeah.
So,
Initial balance just set there, guys.
hey, look at that.
Music licensing reimagined.
So if anybody cares about YM sitting above a fair value gap, just printed it. It's heading towards initial or opening range high. Or initial balance high, same thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is today.
Yeah, today it is.
Yeah.
I didn't screw it up this time. I actually said it the right way.
Hey, Jose. Good morning, sir. I'm pretty sure I saw Jose in the stream yesterday also.
Oh, did you trade last night?
Yeah. Added on some more subscribers, typical of my Sundays.
You're good.
I'm up to 176 now. And I was at
I think,
168, I think, or something. So almost eight or something subscribers.
I think my extended silences and ugly mug are messing with your numbers there, buddy.
No.
Yeah, maybe. It may be.
Jose said, how many screens you guys have? Well, I run with 4 screens, and Nick's got usually 1. Sometimes a laptop on the side, but...
Yeah, right now I have my laptop on the side, but I use 1 screen. I am a very simple man.
But yeah, I like to, I got my StreamYard over here, and then I got my ASFX stream down below, and then I got my news and a different stream up top on the right. My main screen is usually what you guys are seeing, so Bookmap and my trading platform, and then I got my trading view charts and my trade of 8 chart on the right. So a whole bunch of stuff up everywhere.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't know how you can concentrate on that many things at one time.
Yeah, I guess it's kind of like, after a while you just start looking around and you see everything all at once.
All right, I'm in another YM long here.
All right, nice.
At 646, 2 minis. Got my stop loss at $200.
Artlist IO.
Come on, we need that Randy B candle right now.
Right?
Music
It's just the other
licensing
two just aren't
reimagined.
cooperating right now with that. They're both pulling back. I mean, it doesn't mean not a huge amount. We're still holding the New York on the ES there. Their buyers are bouncing it off the New York.
Artlist
And
IO.
NQ sort of flirting with that 200 EMA on the bottom side.
Music licensing.
Ralph's sleeping. Yeah, Jose, thanks. Ralph's doing good.
Is this going to be the bounce I want? Maybe.
ES just broke the New York a little bit.
All right, I'm back in profit on this.
Artlist IO.
Oh, yeah. Come on, keep going. If I talk to it, it moves, right? That's
Oh,
how
yeah.
that works.
Whisper sweet nothings.
I don't know about all that.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's how Randy gets his boner candles. Talks dirty to him, doesn't he?
Talk dirty to me.
Artlist IO.
Man, this one's just messing with me now. If I was a degenerate, I would add to it right here and just hope for a pop-up.
Oh, it pulled back pretty hard there. I was looking away for a second.
Yeah, it pulled back a little bit.
Okay, yeah.
But I'm in with two minis with $200 in
Risk.
risk. Well, 205, but close enough.
NQ's breaking lower here.
That's not going to help me much. I'm out of that.
I tried to get in on that MNQ short there, but it left my order behind, so I closed it here. Gold's still looking good for those who are long in it. Gold was at all-time high last night.
Music licensing.
How are we looking? Oh,
Was
wow.
it really?
Big pullback here on the YM there, hey?
Yeah, I went in at exactly the wrong time.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, gold still, it's up 44.60 now. Let's go back to the daily chart here. Oh, wow. Jeez. What a bar on the freaking daily. Damn. The daily chart, the daily candle shows 93 points bullish.
Music licensing reimagined.
And definitely broke all-time highs. Whew.
What contract are you guys on?
That's MGCG. Closed my long for $70, negative 70 so far today.
Artlist.io.
Was hoping to get a lift off the New York VWAP. Looks like shorts are the play now. Yeah. I mean, after NQ's kind of leading the gang right now. Leading the gang down.
So is gold on a tear or what?
Reimagined.
Yeah, I'd say so.
I haven't even looked at gold.
Yeah, I took 2 trades yesterday. I made 398 and then 80 in 5 of my TPT accounts.
Trading the February contracts, right?
It's the G contract, I think. So, yeah, I think so.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, NQ made a nice heavy move lower, but now it's bouncing up like more than 50% of that last wick. So we dipped into the gap there on the bottom of that candle. So I mean, everything's kind of leaning towards us going towards that gap, whether or not they're gonna close it today.
Yeah, YM's at opening range high right now, so wow. So gold has 157 orders up at 44.78.
Music licensing reimagined.
There's 40 orders down at 4,000 because somebody's drinking on a Monday. But we got, 157 orders.
Looks like we're inverting this. We had a 5-minute bullish fair value gap from the overnight session here on the NQ. We just inverted it. So we could actually look for a short if we get a bounce up into that fair value gap here. Try to be patient here. Done trading MNQ. All targets hit. 30 minutes to go before I call it. I hope gold can now go squeeze. That would be insane, Hazar, if we I mean, what a candle on the daily chart there. Savage.
Well, it did touch the New York open price on the last 2-minute candle. And just did it again on this one.
Music licensing reimagined.
We're
A lot more.
forming a bearish fair value gap on YM right at the previous day high. Now it depends on what this candle does here, but there's a small fair value gap there. Almost closing it.
There's heavier orders on gold up above us than there are below us. Looks like it's inching up on high of day too.
Music licensing reimagined.
Darren says he's waiting for a retest short now off of the New York VWAP or the overnight. All right, yeah. You got a nice bearish fair value gap there too. 69.14 up to 69.16. You got a fair value gap there, and then we also have one at the New York at 69.17 to 18.25. Getting a pretty strong bounce there on NQ and YM, or ES and YM, sorry. Looking pretty strong. Jordan's now long 69.14 on ES. Nice. Up 3 points already. They just completely erased that bearish candle on ES there. Held exactly from midnight open price 69.10. Like both body closures was right. The closure and the open was right on the 69.10.
Music licensing reimagined.
Trying a small short here on NQ. Let's see if we can't get it to pull back in this bearish fair value gap. We're up $50 already.
Artlist.io.
Come on, pull back more.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I'll be back in a minute.
Okay. Still on hold, obviously. Maybe he just got off hold.
Music licensing reimagined.
Feel weird trading at the airport without a desk. Yeah, it makes it hard to multitask. And that's how Nick trades every day, Hazar? Crazy. Last time I tried to trade at the airport, I think I lost $600 out of my funded account. And I remember I was like, damn, maybe I shouldn't be trading at the airport.
Artlist.io.
Well, unfortunately, we got a closure above that inverted fair value gap on this NQ short here. Let's see if they're going to print it lower here. Come on, guys. Let's go. Should probably try to stop this out, break even here. I don't like it that we inverted fair value gap. See if they can't get a little bit more of a move to the downside here. Shoot.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
What's going on here? Almost got stopped out there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gonna get stopped out here though, looks like.
Artlist.io.
Come on, boys, let's go. Okay, stops in there. I'm not risking this guy anymore. We're out of that guy. Almost took out my stop there. Would have gave back all those profits. So not looking to hold on to that trade at this moment. Could go either way. We had the inverted inversion. So
Artlist.io.
we inverted the inverted. This is gonna be a wreck. Might hit max daily loss. Damn. We have liquidity at 25 725. 725.
Artlist.io.
Let's take a look. Yeah, we got 25 orders up at 725 on the upside. You in that
Music licensing
sorry,
reimagined.
I just messed up. I meant to oh, you meant to go in as a limit order, but you accidentally clicked market for micros short from 69.16. Damn. Yeah, I've done that before too, where you right click and then you go to like drop your order and then you hit the wrong one.
Artlist.io.
And then you you end up getting in a market order rather than a limit, like you're trying to place a limit on the screen. Yes, I've done that before too, Darren. YM's looking super strong right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Were you on the phone there, Nick?
Yep.
Everything okay?
We'll see in a couple days.
Okay.
They're doing account review, so
Gotcha.
Not really sure why. I never do anything nefarious, so
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I almost got stopped out on that NQ short, and then now we're actually heading lower. Like, I stopped it slightly in the money. I made $1.50, so I basically broke even on that after fees on that trade. But now it's starting to look at print lower, of course.
because that's how it works.
Well, we inverted the inverted fair value gap again. So, like, you know, we closed below it, and then we bounced and we closed above it. So then I'm like, okay, well, I better get out, break even, because that's kind of like one of my rules there is if we end up inverting the gap that I'm entering on, then you probably want to look to get out as close to break even as possible. So, I mean, it might still work out in my favor if I didn't close the trade here on that pullback. It's already into a losing position again here.
Taking a micro scalp on YM long.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Zach Boyajian's in a long on ES, average price 69.15.
What's it at now?
69.20.
Music licensing.
But it's been on a like kind of a downtrend channel.
Yeah, he trades like that though. He's good at calling a bottom.
Yeah.
I have never been able to do that. I've tried it. Doesn't work out well for me.
Yeah, we've been just going up and down in this kind of like, it's a bullish channel though, technically, because usually when the price is trending lower in a channel, typically it breaks out, not 100% of the time, but typically it breaks out to the top side.
You're looking at ES?
Yeah. So it's been going between 69.20-ish, 22, 23 maybe, down to 69.10. And it's done that, like, bounced up once, came down once. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces off of each, like one off of each side. So building up some momentum here, maybe.
Artlist.io.
Looking at Bookmap, I'm tempted to get into another YM long.
Yeah, it does look pretty strong.
Music licensing.
It looks strong. There's only one block of orders below us. And I'm in.
So we got 55% off on Top 1 futures right now, guys. If you use my code there, you can get they had this flash sale that was supposed to be on for, I don't know, a day or something, a couple days, and it's still active. So if you guys are looking for some accounts, Top 1 futures is definitely a good way to go with a 55% off right now. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I ended up picking up a couple of those and used your code on them.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Music licensing reimagined.
Anytime.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, so it's the instant sim funded is 679 without the discount, and then after the discount it's 305. So it's more than 55% off. It's a pretty sweet deal.
Music licensing reimagined.
If I was looking to get any more accounts, I would definitely pick some up. but I'm pretty loaded up at the moment. So, hey Wayne, morning. Rotational day so far. Yeah, right. Especially on ES. Rotating it maybe into gold. Gold. How's gold looking still? Are we still ripping on gold?
Artlist.io.
It's Christmas time. We can trade gold, frankincense, myrrh.
Yeah, gold's all-time high. Broke up to all-time highs right now. Again, higher than
Music licensing
the highest it's been.
reimagined.
Y'all don't use the Trader Map Lite add-on for Bookmap to remove those algo orders? Hey, Jordan,
Nope.
we actually took that. I've been stopped using it for a while now, just because it's. I almost think it's good to know where those orders are, and it's quite often it still is the draw on liquidity, whether or not they pull them
Music
at some
licensing
point.
reimagined.
So that's kind of our take on it. That's why I haven't been using Trader Map Lite for a while now. Because I am curious as to where those orders are. So, because they're there, they're live, they're there. That they just pull them later on, right? So,
Yeah, they're coming off and on, and they will draw price.
Wayne said value area high 2150 and value area low 1550. You're talking about ES, I'm assuming, right? Dow had a nice breakout there. Now it's pulling back to that bullish fair value gap that we printed
Music licensing reimagined.
between 49 to 57.
Got a bullish fair value gap on YM from 81 to 84.50. It's printing another one right now. Printed a bearish fair value gap, but is moving into a bullish fair value gap from previously. So
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm just gonna wait for a little bit.
Zach ran a 5-minute duck race. I'm in the duck race on Zach's channel. It's a 5-minuter. he's drawing this one out for everybody. The suspense. Lots of stop losses being hit here. All right, well, we're in that fair value gap right now.
Bravissimo.
I don't know. I'm probably not going to take that trade though. I don't know. I'm not.
Music licensing reimagined.
I haven't seen my name yet on the duck race, so that's a good thing though, because hopefully you're gonna rip up in the last few seconds here.
What's the duck race for?
It's a Top One Futures 50K Ignite account, so it's a pretty nice account. Usually they're all evals, but
Oh, those are straight to funded.
yeah,
Music
That's cool.
licensing reimagined.
yeah, it's like the cheaper one on Top One, but it's a funded account, so that's awesome.
I mean, as long as they're paying you, who cares?
Oh, I see my name. I'm pulling up here, guys. Pulling up. I'm gonna pull this up so you guys can see. Let's see here. Am I gonna? Where's Oh, I got rejected. I'm moving back. Damn. Okay, I'm right in the middle of the pack there. 20 seconds left here on this. So did we invert that fair value gap there? Yeah, it looks like we inverted that fair value gap on YM there. 9 seconds here on this chart, on this duck race. Where am I? Go, go, go.
Music licensing
Nope.
reimagined.
The bad deep Gahatak. The bad deep Gahatak won.
All right.
Hey, Trevor. How you doing? Trevor was at the meetup.
Nice.
How was your
What'd you think?
how was your morning there, Trevor?
Music licensing reimagined.
YM was so friendly to us this morning, and now it's kind of like, being good, one loss, but it was valid. Okay, yeah. I mean, as long as you trade your plan, that's kind of the idea, and you just got to wait for those numbers to play out.
Yeah, they're not going to all be winners.
Yeah. And today on ES, I'm assuming you're trading ES. ES has been pretty hard to trade today. Quite some weird price movement on it, that's for sure.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, price action on ES is all wackadoo.
It's Monday, bro. Yeah, some Mondays can be pretty rough. We've had some really good Mondays though, on these no news Mondays. Sometimes it just, there's nothing in the way. It just keeps climbing. But today's not, ES is not the cleanest today. Like, look at these bars, guys. Like, down, up, down, up, down, up.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I had a Christmas party on the weekend, and it's like all my friends from high school and their wives and everything, and then we do like a sort of like a Santa gift exchange, or like Secret Santa. Not exactly, but it's like you get a number, and then that gives you who picks first, right? And then you pick a gift off the pile and open it up, and then or you have the right to steal. So you can steal a present from somebody else that's already opened one. So each gift can only be stolen 2 times. So whoever steals it the second time gets to keep it, unless the first person, whoever gets number 1, opens the first gift, and they get option to steal any gift at the end.
All right.
So yeah, it's pretty
That
fun.
sounds like it could be kind of fun.
Yeah, it's a lot of laughs. It's really fun, and I ended up getting a barbecue tool set. And yeah, there's some good stuff though. There's some good stuff that there's like one of those like neck massagers. They had like, one of my other friends got like a torch. It's like for like torching your food. It's pretty cool.
Or your crack.
Oh yeah, well it's funny because he sent a picture later in the night. And he was like lighting a bong with it. So has multi-purpose, right? So
all right. I mean, hey, as long as it works for you.
Czar said, "Oh darn, time out. Got to call it in. Hopefully see you tomorrow." All right, Czar. Yeah, have a safe flight there, bro. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. What did Trevor said earlier? Yeah, I want to get back in, but forming bearish structure on the 1 minute. If we can get a break above then retest a VWAP, I'll look to get long. All right, yeah. I can see that happening. Little risky in this area still, though, right? We're kind of still in that chop zone, but could be making a breakout here soon.
On ES,
Yeah, we're above the New York. We're above the 9 EMA and the 21. Everything's kind of suggesting bullish, but since we've been stuck in this kind of channel, it's like hard to say, right?
yeah. Oh hell, just throw 10 minis on long and walk away for 5 or 6 minutes.
See how fast you can blow that account.
Mm-hmm.
We do have a little bit of orders above us, 23 and 25, and then 27 and 30. So, but yeah, hard to say. No guarantees, right? YM starting to look like it wants to head to the highs here.
Artlist.io.
$51 seconds on this current duck race here, guys. Let's see if I can't
Music
get a
licensing
Christmas
reimagined.
account from Zach. Okay, YM starting to go higher here again. Sheesh.
IM has just been a beast.
Yeah, it's been pretty strong today. I'm gonna obviously
You know
I
what?
can't really take a long up here though. I don't know. So close to the all-time highs or
Music
high of the day.
licensing reimagined.
It's 11 o'clock, volume's decreasing, and I'm up $3,000.
Nice.
So I think I'm done for the day.
All right.
How about yourself?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm up 350 in those funded accounts. And then what did my take profit trader? Well, I put in like $80 yesterday, and then I took that break even, which ended up being a small loss. So I'm up 76 in my 5 TPT accounts. What else did I have here? Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys were on the stream yesterday, but when I ended the stream, I was down $30, I think, in this 25K evaluation account on Blue Guardian. Ended up making it a positive plus $30.
All right.
I'm up 43.
Nice way to come back.
50K eval or 50K funded top 1 futures. Yeah, so not a bad day for me.
Artlist.io.
Not bad, not bad. Take the money and run. Great job, guys. I wonder who said that, eh?
Couldn't imagine. Could
That's
not imagine.
You know, it just wouldn't be the same without getting that comment now. It's becoming becoming a staple.
Licensing reimagined.
And it's it's the adult thing to do, right?
Yeah, I'm not going to be greedy, especially at this time of year with this type of price action. There's no need for me to be on this chart anymore. Unless I was just getting greedy.
Yeah. Gold going higher still. Holy crap, man. Gold is just crazy, guys.
Artlist.io.
Pulling back a little bit at the moment, but wow.
Wow. And there's still 163 orders up at 44.78.
Wow.
So
8
is that
points
all-time
higher.
high?
Yeah, we're sitting at all-time high right now. Well, pulled back slightly from it, but
Music licensing reimagined.
Wonder if those sell orders are just people taking profits.
probably.
That would be or it's a bunch of amateurs buying at all-time high,
And putting their stops up there. Could be, yeah.
now waiting for a pullback. unless they're seeing a continuation. But my crystal ball is a little cloudy, so I
Music licensing reimagined.
tend to not do that.
So Zach's trading a live account.
He's doing that too?
Yeah.
Love it.
He
don't
just
feel-
closed his ES long for 250 winner.
Nice.
He's been in that trade for quite a while, but he's so patient. You know, he's doing the duck races. He doesn't even look at the chart the whole time he's doing the duck races. He's like, whatever.
No, his strategy doesn't require it.
No.
Music
Mine
licensing reimagined.
Yeah. Jose said, what time frames do you guys trade? I'm usually looking at the 5s for the most part. Sometimes I'll go down to like the 2 minute to manage the trade, but typically I'm just on the 5 minutes. So
Yeah, I look at the 15 sometimes for reference on trend, and how strong it is on the 15, and then I spend most of my time on the 5, and I'll manage on a 2.
nice, yeah. Darren said, okay, I effed up today. Think I'm going to take some time off ES, negative 300. Ooh, yeah. I mean, it's not an unreasonable amount for you to recover, but yeah, see if you can claw some back tomorrow. Yeah, don't
300 on
worry about
ES,
making it all
yeah.
back.
Worry about making base hits.
Yeah.
You got
And then
this.
now it's like, now don't FOMO into this kind of stuff either right now, because it's like pulling away and it's like, oh geez, if I just went long now, right?
Oh,
but,
absolutely. We're at the okay. Gold's at an all-time high. ES is way up there. YM is just broken through the initial balance,
Yeah.
rejected off it, and is starting to come back. It just created a new VWAP for high of day.
Oh yeah, yeah.
See what else we got here?
NQ's coming up to the New York VWAP, just kind of rejecting off it, but yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, NQ's been spent most of the day under VWAP, so
Artlist.io.
could it go back up to high a day? Yes. Am I going to take that chance? Hell no. Oh yeah, the high of day is at 25,796. Ooh,
Yeah, 796, yeah.
screw it. Let's go for 100 points here.
Right?
No, absolutely not.
Absolutely not, Ski.
All right, Dave. I'm getting out of here. You have a
Sounds
lovely
good.
evening.
I'll probably stick around for another 15-ish minutes. We'll stick around till 8:30 or 11:30 a.m. here, guys. So, but yeah, thanks, Nick, and we will see you tomorrow. Hopefully everything works out with your broker there.
Yeah,
It's kind of
I'll,
annoying.
it's excessively annoying. I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
All right, Doc. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Okay, see ya.
Thanks, Terrence.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, that's why you just took a minus 175 on a short there, hey? Yeah, it was like, well, you're trying to play that trade, that short in the channel, and then it broke out above it, I guess. Trevor, I'm going to go grab some breakfast. Great meeting you on Friday, Dave. Yeah, hey, Trevor, it was good to meet you, too. You're as nice as you seem on stream in the chat, so yeah, nice to meet you. We should, we'll definitely get together again sometime soon. We're going to set up another meetup, so. So Darren, you're back to plus 700 on the instant now, and you need to make 550 again to get past and to get a payout. Okay. Yeah, I mean, don't put too much pressure on yourself. It is a rough time of year to trade with the lower volume and whatnot, right? So we got this. Chic Nick.
Artlist.io.
Did you end up getting a little hangover there, Trevor? I don't know how many drinks you had. I had what did I have? 3 drinks, and I was like little mild headache the next day. I just don't drink much at all, so 3 drinks is kind of hurts
Music
sometimes.
licensing reimagined.
How's this NQ looking here?
Artlist.io.
Oh, that's NQ coming up to that midnight open price here. Low volume node on ES at 69.24 to 26. Interested in longing a pullback if it goes to that price. Action confirms. So you got 69.24 to 26. 24 to 26. Okay, yeah. I can see that. Yes, I do have a Discord. And I am in there. It's open right now.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, you know, I'll have a drink or a couple drinks on occasion. Like I had, you know, these last 2 days, I had on Friday I had 2 beers and 1 Caesar, and then on Saturday I had 1 gin and soda, and that's like more than I've drank in like the last 2 months. So if you total up even 3 months. If you total up all the drinks I've had in the last 3 months, that's probably more than I've had. So my body just doesn't like alcohol, so I don't like to get that like hangover feeling, and I get it pretty easy, so try to avoid drinking. Did Wayne, do you want a link to the Discord channel there? Let me toss that in there for you if you don't already have that.
Reimagined.
You get a hard time breathing. Oh, well, that sounds like you might have a bit of an allergy to alcohol. Hey, Terrence?
Artlist.io.
Book map looking like a Christmas light show. Right?
Music
Yeah.
licensing
Yeah, you definitely have.
reimagined.
If you get hard to breathe, then it's definitely alcohol allergy.
Artlist.io.
Well, I did just try a quick short on NQ, and it got a little bit into profit, and I put my stop slightly in the money, and then it just instantly bounced right back. So good timing, and we would have been down a bit at the moment. So that's the one thing I like about YM, guys, is if you take an entry on a position and it starts going in your favor and you put your stop into the money, quite often YM just likes to keep going for a while in whatever direction it is. So it doesn't seem to revert back so much, whereas like NQ and ES typically always kind of like come back. YM seems to like pick a direction for a certain amount of time and it just kind of goes. So Oh, hey, there's my dad. Good morning. Little late to the stream. We're probably wrapping it up here in about 10 minutes, but hey, you made it. You made it. Pretty hard to take a trade here on YM where it is right now. Pretty decent day on the charts already for me today. Up 350, 78% win rate. Glad I cut the short at 69.26 on ES. Leak on the day loss, but better than an even bigger loss. Yeah, of course. Yeah. I mean, look at how much that thing has popped up there. Finally. Finally, it moved higher. I took those couple losses earlier on ES, trying to get this move out of it, but it looks like it ended up coming way later in the day. So I was way too early on that. YM was the guy today, though, that's for sure. For me, anyways. And Nick. So I'm up 81.50 across my 5 take profit trader eval accounts. I put in 84 in my 4 funded Lucid accounts. I put in, let's see, 507 in my Lucid eval account. The last one I'm trying to pass, that one's up at this guy right here, 51,890. So we're almost a little over 1,000 away from passing that guy. And this is my funded guys here. So 84 across those guys. This one's 81 across these 5 copy traded eval accounts from take profit. So that's looking pretty nice. And then we put in $43. We were negative in this account by like 100 and something here. What did I do this morning? It looks like yeah, I was down about 110 from 2 trades this morning, 2 losses in a row, and then I switched over to NQ and put in 112 plus 48. So that kind of recovered that account. And then what do I have here? Up $30 in this 25K evaluation account with Blue Guardian. So overall, pretty solid day on the day. So yeah, I probably shouldn't be taking any more trades. We'll just stick around here for another 6 minutes or so. Yeah, you read on, at least you can take that one positive thing away, right, Darren? Yeah. I mean, sometimes, you know, in the past, sometimes when you're that, you know, like I've actually hit the reverse button on rare occasion where it's worked out like that, where, you know, like your trade is like whatever, you got your trade, and then, you know, like this is a certain invalidation point, and it's such an invalidation point that you're like confident enough that you can just reverse that trade and you know, catch some of that next move up, right? It doesn't always work, obviously, but I've done it a couple times, and you know, it's worked out pretty good. But it's got to be really at a very specific invalidation point for me to want to do that. Now, if it's in the middle of a channel and your stop is whatever, like I wouldn't do that. But on rare occasion, when you're like, it's really at that, you know, it's really invalid, that could be a time that you can do that.
Music licensing reimagined.
Getting a bit of a pullback now on ES. and the YM's also pulling back a bit to initial balance high. NQ kind of rejecting off of the midnight open price. We're above the New York and we're above start of day VWAP. Everything's looking pretty. I mean, this is just a normal pullback, I would say, but really hope we retest 69.24. Passive buyer sitting inside a low volume node. I'm drooling. 69.28 looks strong too. Yeah, we got a couple of fair value gaps there. Probably lining up with your low volume nodes, right? Which is basically what they call fair value gaps, right? 24. Because we got two bullish fair value gaps sort of right here and here on the MES H mesh. These should be green though. We got orders at 28, 26.50, 25, like a whole bunch below us. Whole bunch, all hundreds orders there. And I'm not seeing any algos right now on any of these blocks. So looking like these are all, oh, there's one algo there. So 24 and 23 or 22.75. Could attempt at taking a long here. I haven't taken any trades in this other 50K account.
Music licensing reimagined.
Jordan likes using low volume nodes that develop during the whole New York session. Regular candle FVGs can give false signals if it's still within a high volume on the session, if that makes sense. Okay, yeah. This is a pretty large 15-minute fair value gap there.
Music licensing reimagined.
The 30 looking like 30 has the same size basically roughly as the 15.
Artlist.io.
Oh, coffee, guys, coffee. Gonna load up here before it gets cold.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Looking like we're getting a bit more of a pullback here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Just gotten along on this TPT eval accounts here. I'm already got my stop and break even on the YM here. We're a little bit in the money. We're up about 45 bucks. Okay, we're out there. So we're up 106 now across these 5 take profit trader accounts there.
Artlist.io.
Was like in the, we erased a bullish fair value gap. So at that moment I went long and then trailed it into profit aggressively. It's just the style I've been trading, locking in those greens. So we made about 25 bucks there in that stop. So okay, Darren, yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. Take it easy. And here we are. We're at 8:30, guys. So I took one more quick trade there. Put in another little bit of money into those funded accounts. You know, when you're trading 5 accounts, 25 bucks is pretty good. You know, 125 bucks in you know, a matter of 30 seconds there.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I'm up, I got 1,500 in the Lucid Direct account. So all I need is about 1,100 more in that account, and I could take a $500 payout. Probably won't be taking the payout right at 500, but getting close to being able to take a payout from that, from one of those accounts. That's my lead account. It's up the most. My next highest account is up 819, and then my other 2 guys, which are they're quite a bit behind. They're up 600 bucks each. So not bad. So I'll probably be taking a single payout from the direct account before I get my other ones up there. Cycle it around. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the day, guys. What am I up? So I'm up about, in the funded account, I'm up about, what is it, 350? Let's see here. Yeah, I'm up 350 in the funded accounts. And then I'm up 500 in my take profit trader evals. So that's 850. And then I put in 500 in my one Lucid eval. So that's 1350. And then I think I'm up, what am I up over here? 43. Call it 1400. And then over here 30 bucks. So yeah, roughly 1400 up on the day, which is a pretty nice day. I'm not logging my TPT evaluation accounts, and I'm not logging this 25k eval here either, and also that one Lucid funded or Lucid eval account. So a lot of those evals just aren't going into my calendar. I'm just trying to keep it to my funded accounts lately. So overall, really good day. Pretty happy with that. So let's wrap it up here, guys. It was a fun day streaming. Hopefully you guys are green. Morning, Keith. Up 50 on 2 accounts, locked out. Good enough. Yeah, I mean, it is Christmas, right? So we got some low volume on the day. So it's a good job there, Keith. And Darren, you locked it out. Small red day. But I think over the next day or two, I'm sure you'll get a chance to get that back. Jordan, wondering if you're going to get in that long there you're looking at. Had a bit of a chance there at the 27s, but maybe you're waiting for a bit more of a pullback. Good to see you, though. Keith, Darren, Jordan. My dad is here. We had Terrence earlier. Thanks, Terrence and Wayne. Also, Trevor popped in for a bit. Met Trevor on the weekend at a gathering in Vancouver, a trader gathering. Zara was here earlier. Jose, also Khalil was he's a newer trader. He was here earlier, and I think that's about it, right? Think so. Yeah. So thanks a lot, everybody, for coming in, showing up, hanging out, making the stream more fun for us. Merry Christmas, guys, if you celebrate. If not Christmas, then whatever you do. All right. Yeah. Thanks, Keith. Appreciate it. Merry Christmas. We'll be live again tomorrow morning and on the 24th morning. So hopefully we will see you guys around on those days too. Yeah, definitely. If you guys are looking for accounts, Top One Futures can use my discount code to get 55% off still. So if you're looking to get any of that, that would be awesome. Would appreciate that if you guys did. No pressure, obviously. Just if you're thinking to load up, that would be a great help to the stream and whatnot. But and also Lucid's got a decent discount on right now. I think they're 35 or 40% off. Not bad, but no activation fees and one-time fee kind of thing. Top One Futures also good for that. If you're going to buy a funded account, obviously you don't need to renew it, and also their evals are not renewals, but they do have an activation fee. So that's why I usually say if you're going to get an eval, Lucid's the way to go. If you're going straight to funded, Top One Futures is the way to go.
Music licensing.
But yeah, let's wrap it up here, guys. Thanks so much, everybody. Again, we have 10 people in my YouTube channel, 1 in Nick's YouTube channel. We didn't see Tina Banks today. I wonder if she's taking a little bit of time off. But yeah, thanks, guys. We got 12 people in Nick's X and 7 in my X. Thank you, everybody, for showing up. Appreciate you all. And yeah, we'll be live tomorrow morning. So we'll catch you later. Peace out, everybody. Have a good day.